how to play the F major chord on the octave mandolin. Now, the F chord is not very frequently called for, but if you're going to play in the key of B flat, you're going to need the F chord. Obviously, if you can play in the key of F, you need the F chord. And there are a number of tunes, certainly in the Americana genre, that call for the key of F. So I'm going to show you how I do the F major chord. It's very similar to the way I do the E major chord, which is based on the way I do the D major chord. You're probably beginning to see how I figure these things out, right? The easiest way to do it is just start with the D major chord, which is, in this case, is second finger on the 3rd fret G string. I'm sorry. Yeah. Did I say 3rd fret? I meant 2nd, sorry. So 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, G string, and 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, E string. So that's a D, that's the open D. To make it an E, you slide it up to the 4th fret and bar the two middle strings with your 1st finger. So that's your E. To make it an F, all you do is you slide up 1 fret. That's F. So just to be clear, you're putting your 2nd finger on the 5th fret G string, your 1st finger on the 3rd fret D string and 3rd fret A string, and did I say 3rd? I meant your 2nd finger. 1st finger, geez, it's too early in the morning for me to be making videos. And the 3rd finger on the 5th fret E string. That's F. So let me repeat that because I think it was confusing. So 2nd finger on the 5th fret G string, 1st finger on the 2 middle strings on the 3rd fret, and 3rd finger on the 5th fret E string. That's F. E, E was just one whole hand movement down 1 fret, and then D. So hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions, post them in, contact me, or post your questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button when you want to receive notifications of new videos. Hope you have a good day.